Hey, awesome people. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So as you can see, it's beautiful here. We got a nice fresh snow last night. So I'm getting ready to start the activities. I got a shovel. I gotta dust these off. We got some new stuff. Hold on, it's gonna get noisy. So I wanted a greenhouse. I got it started. And I wanted to put a little greenhouse inside it. And some of the crops out there are still doing pretty good. Leafy greens, the brassica family. But here, I'll show you. They're doing okay. It's a lot warmer in here. Look at that kale back there. Those are the Brussels sprouts. I didn't harvest them. I'm just going to let it wait. I got a brick on there. It's just cheap plastic, but it's going to do the job. I got a couple totes on some of the plants. Here's the rest of it. There's a couple poles. 5 more poles are inside. It's got to attach to the roof section. This is the bottom, and the other bottom's behind me. So I want to get that up. But we have a situation where I finished this for the night just the way it is. And I went inside. Magnetic reversal news showed an ice storm coming in. So I didn't want to finish it. It's been like a week like this. So I tell you what, I needed to learn how to support it. Well, I jumped over to CB's greenhouse and garden, and he just built one, and I donated a little bit of money so he could hurry up and get that started. And I went back to the 17th. I was a little behind. So on the 17th, he showed how he supported his greenhouse, and he cut 2x4s in half for the supports between the 2 cross members all the way through, even on the roof. But I know I'm a lot further north than he is, so I'll probably use 2x4s on that. And as you can see, there was one of my last broccolis right there, all covered. Still looks good. Those kales are okay. I want to get those covered. I looked all over the place. I wanted to get it here, but it's not flat land. I wanted to cover. There's a nice variety right there of green, but it might have to end up right here. It's 10 by 20, and I keep covering. Hold on. So I ordered these little hoops, and I put them all under this area. As you can see, maybe you can't see, but they're doing good. I got a lot of crops in here still. Call it the winter garden. But if I had a double layer, I could move this 2 grow zones to the south. That's the intentions. Plastic here keeps blowing off. And I got a lot of that solar hose for the solar pool heater there. I'm probably going to discard it, but that's the way of draping over this right here. So most likely I'm going to put the big greenhouse in this back corner over here, and I might just get another 1 or 2 of these to put inside it, and that'll be the double greenhouse effect here. Oh, let me show you a little bit about the upstairs garden. Here you go, the indoor garden. I did not label them, but I did order, I don't know, maybe 1,000 labels. You can see that one right there, that's peppers. So They're all labeled. Those are on the other side. So we have some coffee. Don't remember the name of this. It is a form of lettuce, kind of like a bush. I think that'll be amazing. We got 2 lemon trees. Hot peppers. Here, well, peppers were there, but we got chives, parsley, arugula, oregano, sage, basil. Y'all know what that is? Antiviral herbs. Don't worry about this pandemic if a bunch of onion, radish, lettuce, Paris Island, and a tomat, long, and a tomat cherry. You know what that is, right? That'd probably be Russian. But anyway, gotta get those started down there. I'm gonna rearrange this. I did a video with riverponics. If you all wanna have a hydroponic system, I'm gonna get this started. He is a YouTuber. If you want to learn how to grow indoors, he had probably a 12-14 foot tomato plant this summer, and this last summer. So it was so big around on the trunk, probably can't see me in here, that it had bark on the base of it. It was amazing. So riverponics, Matt, I'm going to get this started. It's probably been a year. So I'm thinking I'm going to elevate it from here and across there, and maybe get some 2x4s across there for that. Let's see what I can do. But anyway, short and sweet. I'm still playing. Mostly on YouTube, watching other people's videos, learning how to grow in the winter, grow indoors, and still learning some stuff. And JB Solar USA, I have a lot more to learn. So I'll be checking you out again. I'm going to put you in the tab up above again so I can start seeing all your videos. You just have a plethora of knowledge that I got a long ways to go before I learn your stuff. But anyway, have a beautiful 2021. Grow indoors and get your greenhouses going. All right, it's time to go and have a beautiful year.